Welcome back, rum friends. Today I've got yet another brand new rum cocktail for you to try. This one's for everyone that sort of loves like a pina colada vibe, except while there is coconut in there, there's also banana in there, and it's absolutely delicious, like a honeyed banana. Now, I'm on a mission to create 100 brand new rum cocktails. The wider mission will be revealed at sort of the end of 2026, early 2027. But for now, I would say my brand of rum cocktails, they're not really tiki, they're not really tropical. It's just kind of my own thing. I love fun, faff-free, but flipping tasty. So if that sounds like fun, if you want to see more rum cocktails that I create, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Right, so let's crack on with this cocktail. I have called this the Aloha Lane. There's no rhyme or reason really to my cocktail names. They just sound pretty good. So ingredient one, I'm going to talk you through properly what the ingredients through after I've made the cocktail, but I'm going back to my Dropworks Tiki Blend, Aged Rum Blend number 1, I've called it. I've now got a label for the bottle, so I pre-batched some. 45ml, 1.5 ounces, your favorite rum essentially. I try and start these recipes by sort of making this sour element. A lot of my cocktails sort of get built out from sours, so booze, citrus, sugar. So next ingredient, lime juice. I'm just going for 15ml, half an ounce of lime juice this time. And then instead of a sugar syrup or something like that, I've got some agave nectar. So I'm just going for 10ml this gorgeous agave. So booze, citrus, sugar kind of done. We just want to build this out now. First flavour, Real banana sort of puree syrup. And I want 20ml of this gorgeous stuff. This is amazing on toast. I flipping love this stuff. Now, what I think goes really well with like a banana, obviously agave does as well, but like a honey liqueur. So I'm going to go for some Benedictine. Not much. I'm going for 10ml here. And then I'm just going to finish this off with some coconut water. I love this stuff. This is proper coconut water, but the white one of Vita Coco is with like coconut flesh added back in. Coconut and rum. It's just a match made in heaven. Not too much. We're not going for a long drink here. Just 20ml. 20. So just need to give this a good shake down. And I'm going to serve this up in a coupe glass. So I want to kind of double strain it. And I've just got Urban Bar's double strainer thing here. It's brilliant in there. So we're just going to double strain into our Alto 1920s coupe glass. I've got to be careful not to finish that. That is so tasty. Oh, I love that. The honeyed banana is the top note, definitely. But the rums play a part as well. I will, in the description, I'll sort of tell you what the blend of rums I use, or for any of you that have already downloaded my free PDF ebook, it's in there, the sort of ratios of the rum I use. Which reminds me, starting from today, this video, Dropworks are giving all you guys 10% off any of their rums. So if you use the code that's in the description, head over to Dropworks website, you get 10% off. I think it runs to the end of 2026. And I don't think there's really much else to sort of talk you through here. Benedictine, for those of you that don't know, I've sort of been on about this now for a few months. I use it as my honey liqueur. I'm gutted that I didn't pay any attention to it for years of my bartending career. Before I go any further, I just want to give a quick shout out to a new brand that I'm working with on this channel, and news of a discount code that will actually work if you're UK, US, or Europe. Now that brand is Urban Bar. They are famous for their cocktail equipment and glassware. And going forward on this channel, most of the equipment and most of the glassware that I use will be actually from Urban Bar. There is a 15% discount that you can use on your first 5 orders. And remember, that is UK, US, and Europe. Didn't really understand what it is. Thought it was like a herbal liqueur, which it is, but it's a honey liqueur top note. I describe it 27 herbs and spices, but the overriding flavour is honey. Like Liquor 43 is what, 43 herbs and spices, but the overriding flavour is vanilla. That's really delicious. The banana and the agave, wow. No, banana puree as a syrup, absolutely delicious. A little bit thicker than a normal banana syrup, delicious. Then the coconut water, as I mentioned, This is just proper pressed coconut, proper coconut water, but the white label, the white box of Vita Coco is with pressed coconut. Delicious. I think this one is going to get finished. But today's question, if I gave you some pressed coconut water and maybe some banana, what cocktail would you make? Could be banana liqueur, to be fair, but what cocktail would you make with banana and coconut? Let me know in the description below. And if you like this and you want to see another rum cocktail that I've created, dive into that video that's popping up on screen right now.